You're watching today's Daily Market Comment by Raf Boyajian. I'm Christina Marujos and thank you for joining us at XM.com. It's the start of the second quarter earnings season and optimism is running high that the reopening of the U.S. economy will power corporate earnings to new peaks. The new season will properly kick off today when JP Morgan Chase and Goldman Sachs report the results before the market open. But there's already plenty of buzz on Wall Street that quarter two earnings will beat the consensus estimates on expectations that the vaccine-led recovery boosted companies' bottom lines as the reopening of the world's largest economy gathered pace. The three leading indices all closed at new all-time highs for a second consecutive day on Monday. Reports that progress is being made in the U.S. Congress on both the partisan and bipartisan bills of Biden's infrastructure plan may also be supporting sentiment in equity markets. But in the currency sphere, traders are mainly focused on this week's U.S. data releases and Fed Chair Powell's congressional hearing on Wednesday. Powell is unlikely to say anything that would rattle investors, but nevertheless, markets will be hypersensitive to any remarks that suggest tapering could begin soon. Ahead of Powell's appearance tomorrow, all eyes will be on the June Consumer Price Index due today at 12:30 GMT. Expectations for the headline CPI rate are for a reading of 4.9% year-on-year. However, there's probably a slightly greater risk of a weaker number this time, which could spark another spending spree into U.S. Treasury bonds, sending yields tumbling again. If yields were to dip again, it's unclear which way the U.S. dollar would go following the recent breakdown of their positive correlation. What is evident, however, is that riskier currencies have been struggling to make much headway against the greenback lately. Even the New Zealand dollar has been unable to capitalize on growing expectations that the Reserve Bank of New Zealand will raise rates as early as November this year. The RBNZ is due to announce its latest monetary policy decision early on Wednesday, and the Kiwi could come under pressure if policymakers hint that they disagree with the market's timetable for a rate hike. The US dollar was slightly firmer against the basket of currencies, but flat versus the safe haven yen. The Aussie and Kiwi inched up against both the greenback and yen, while the euro and pound were weaker across the board. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thank you for watching at XM.com.